Welcome to the tutorial on how to save chart layout and templates on Fiers Web. We are the first broker in India to implement the Save Charts dashboard feature that allows you to keep a track of all the saved screenshots on the trading platform. The repository of charts can be used to record observations for future reference. This feature is especially helpful for active traders who are constantly analyzing the market using charting tools, drawings, and notes on charts. So, let's see how to do it. Log into your Fiers Web account. Fiers Web helps you in saving your charts, your favorite indicators, and templates separately. The Save Chart library is a great way of revisiting and referencing your technical analysis. How to save charts? To save your preferred charts, go to Manage Chart Layouts on the header menu of Fiers Web. Once you click on Manage Chart Layouts, it gives the drop-down with options such as Save, Rename, Make a Copy, and Load Chart Layout. To save the existing chart layout, use the Save option. If you want to give a unique name to your chart layout, then select the Rename option. To make a new chart layout, select the Make a Copy option. To access all the previously saved charts, you need to click on the Load Chart Layout option. How to save indicators and templates? You can save your favorite indicators, drawing tools, add and compare symbols, and multiple layouts on Fiers Web very easily. Let me demonstrate all these options one by one. How to add and save indicators on the chart layout. Let's assume you wish to add Bollinger Band and RSI to the M&M chart. To do this, go to the indicator option and click on it. A drop-down will give you different types of indicator options. Select your preferred indicators from the drop-down list. After selecting both these indicators, they will automatically get added onto the chart of M&M. Now to save these two indicators, click on the Save Indicator template and give name to the indicator template and click the Save option. Both these indicators will be saved in the mentioned indicator template. In the future, whenever you wish to see any script, these two indicators will automatically get added to the charts. One can also name these indicators on the chart by going to the Setting tab and selecting the Name Indicator label. How to add and save drawing tools on the chart layout. Let's have a look at the Nifty daily chart, where I have drawn a channel. Now, I wish to save this study. To do so, click on the Save option or press Ctrl S. The chart gets saved automatically. And to view the same in the future, all I need to do is type Nifty in the search window. Or if you already have it in the watch list, you will be able to view it in your saved studies. How to compare or add symbol and save on the chart layout. Let's assume you want to compare the performance of HUL and the FMCG index. To do so, go to the chart panel on the top and click on the Compare tab. After clicking, an Add Symbol window opens in the interface. Type the name of the stock or index that you want to compare. In our case, it is HUL. On the charts, you will see that the HUL and FMCG index gets plotted. Now, to save this layout for future reference, click the Make a Copy option and enter a new name for the chart layout. Let us name it Compare Stock and FMCG Index and click on the Save option. Now, whenever you want to compare the FMCG index with any of its components, then click on the Compare Stock and Index tab and select the preferred stock from the watchlist. How to add and save multiple chart layouts? Click on the Layouts tab and select your preferred layouts. After selecting the preferred layout pattern, click on the Make Copy option and mention the name of the desired layout and click on the Save button. Let me explain this to you with the help of an example. Suppose we want to see the dual charts in a layout. For this, click on the Layout tab and select the double layout pattern. Once the preferred layout pattern gets added, go to Manage Chart Layout and click the Make a Copy option and name this layout as a double layout pattern and save it. Now, whenever you want to see the charts in a double layout pattern, select the mentioned pattern. We hope this video has helped you in understanding the Save chart layout and templates. Thanks for watching.